Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to help you in case your LG TV will not turn on. So there's a couple things you can do to troubleshoot your TV if it won't turn on. The first thing to do is just to power cycle your TV. So to power cycle your TV, what you want to do is you want to unplug it from the wall. You want to wait for at least 60 seconds. And then before you plug it back in, you're going to push and hold the power button for 30 seconds. And then once you've done that, then you can plug it back in and see if the television will turn on. It's just kind of like resetting a computer. Sometimes it kind of fixes whatever problems you have. The next thing you want to do is check your remote. If you're trying to turn it on with the remote control and that's not working, just make sure your batteries are inserted in the remote correctly. And like the plus sign and the minus sign, make sure they're going the right way. Make sure it's in there, and make sure you're using the right remote and that's configured properly for your television. Once you've done that, you might want to just go ahead, if that's still not working and it's not turning on from the remote, you can just go ahead and replace the batteries on your remote controller. And so if that doesn't fix it, the next thing I would do, the fourth thing I would do to try to get your TV to turn on is to check the plug. Maybe the plug that it's plugged in the wall is not working. I would just try to use a different plug. Plug it in a different outlet in your wall and see if that's working. And similar to that, if you have an LG TV, some of them, they have the power cord that can actually detach from the television. So I would just check that and make sure that that is plugged in properly in the back of your television. If that doesn't work, there's some other things you can try. If you have it plugged into a surge protector, you can check and make sure the surge protector is not causing a problem. And then finally, you can check that maybe it's turning on, but the screen won't come on because the screen is broken. So how you could check for that is if you take a flashlight, turn it on, and take a flashlight and shine it on it. And if you see on the screen, and if you see like a dull image, like it's creating the image, but the backlight is not lighting it up so that you can see it, that means that your backlight is broken, and you're probably just going to need a new TV at that point. Anyways, so these are just a few tips to try to get your TV to turn on if you're having problems with it turning on. Hope this helped. Hope it got your TV to turn on, or at least to figure out what the problem is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.